So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I remove this dent with hot glue and paintless dent removal techniques. Stay tuned. This little dent on the rear wheel arch panel is a prime example of why I got into paintless dent removal. Years ago when I worked in a body shop, to fix this dent we'd have to sand down the panel, fill the dents, prime, paint and lacquer the whole panel. Being a metallic paint and so close to the door, we'd have to blend the paint into the adjacent panel to ensure we had a good colour match. Now the small little dent is just here and it's not marked the paint. So in a body shop this would have taken me 2 or 3 days just going through the process, having to remove some of the trim items, physically carry out the repair and allow time to prime, paint, lacquer, bake and then polish before pinning it back together again. So it was quite an involved process, but with paintless dent removal I can fully remove that dent within the hour without taking off any of the trims or affecting any of the manufacturer's paint finish. So just here you can see my dent. It's quite shallow, but it's a little bit of a crease. It's probably about 1 inch long in total. And as you can see, it comes right up to the edge of the panel. To start this repair, I'm going to use this little tab from Black Plague PDR. It's just the right shape and size to get into the lower of this crease. And then using my slide hammer, should be able to give it a few light pulls and hopefully see that metal begin to move. So still got just a slight little crease, slight little dent there. Most of it's come out pretty well. A slight high from my first pull, so I'll continue that process. Subscribe. That last pull's pretty much removed that crease, just very slightly low there, or potentially slightly high in the middle. So most of that dent's come out. I've got the tiny little low spot just here. So I'm going to use one of the smaller tabs and hopefully just pull out that last little bit. So this was where the original crease was. As you can see, with a few sort of glue pulls and just a little bit of tapping down, been able to remove that dent, keep all of this paintwork nice and original, and start to finish that repair's taken about 15-20 minutes. So if you want to learn exactly how to fix dents like this yourself with hot glue and PDR techniques, check out my PDR Training Foundation course. Head straight to the website learnpdronline.com, or go to the bottom of this video, check the description, and you'll see a link to get started today.